Hello folks, I'm going to do a quick review of the KOBALT brushless 20-inch cordless mower. Just picked it up this afternoon at Lowe's, a little under 300 bucks I think it was, and I'm impressed. The battery here charged in about 2 hours, so we're looking at a 40 volt max 5 amp KOBALT battery. So just plug it out, charge it, a couple of hours, all of the dots up here on the front was ready to go, so I was ready to mow. Didn't take long to put the handlebars on, put the grass catcher there, and very easy to install. Took me maybe 5 minutes. So I just mowed for, I don't know, 10 minutes here or something like that. I'm going to check the bag here for you in a minute. So I guess you can throw the grass out if you like with this adapter, or I've read online where what some people are doing is once they catch the grass a little bit and they want to mulch it, you just pop this in on the inside, take that grass catcher off. So here we are, the KOBALT 20-inch cordless mower. It is quiet, folks. I could pop out here at 9 o'clock at night, I think, and cut my grass on the front lawn and not bother a neighbor. So that's cool. I do have a Toro zero-turn mower that I cut this front grass with. I tell you what, this is zoysia grass, and it did great. I just cut this little area right here, and it took me no time, absolutely took me no time to mow it. So by the time oh, looky down here, it caught a lot of grass. So very good job. My first impressions of the KOBALT 20-inch mower, 51 centimeters deck width, is a good one. You don't have to worry about your gasoline. You don't have to worry about the gasoline sticking in the winter time and having to try to find just true gasoline without all the additives. So I'm excited about this KOBALT mower. I'll just charge it up, be ready to mow again. Thanks folks, thanks for watching.